we discuss the subject electrical circuits unit first. AC fundamentals. In this AC fundamentals we discuss alternating currents and their generations, voltage and their related terms regarding sinusoidal waveform. The voltages of AC sources alternated polarity and vary in magnitude. That proves the current vary in magnitude and alternate in the directions. See this waveform for sinusoidal AC supply. Half positive and half negative polarity completes one cycle. Sinusoidal AC voltage, one complete variation is referred to as a cycle. See this waveform. Starting at 0 position, voltage increases to positive weak amplitude, decreases to 0, changes polarity and increases to negative peak amplitude, returns against 0 value. It completes one AC cycle. Symbol of AC voltage source. See this AC waveform, AC supply voltage symbol. Next, sinusoidal AC current. See this is the supply voltage applied to the resistance and actual current direction during this positive to negative complete the one cycle. See the actual direction of the during second half cycle and first half cycle. During the first half cycle, source voltage is positive. Therefore, the current is in the clockwise direction. During second half cycle, voltage polarity reverses. Therefore, the current is in the counterclockwise direction. So, the current is proportional to the voltage and shape is also sinusoidal. See this figure. How generating the AC voltages? We generate the AC voltage to the rotating coil of wire, constant angular velocity in fixed magnetic field. See the positions of the magnetic field coil placed in the magnets. See this is the first position, 0 positions. There is no plus linkage with the coil. Second position at 90 degree, coil A is positive, coil B current direction is out of slip ring. Coil rotating at 180 degree, see these C positions, coil again cutting, no flux, induced voltage is 0. The magnitude of the resulting voltage is proportional to the rate at which flux lines are cut. Therefore, the polarity is dependent on the direction of the coil moved through the field. Let's see the how generate the AC voltages through animation video. See the coil rotates continuously and waveform from 0 to 360 degree. Voltage is with respect to time, how it's changed from 0 to 360 degree. It completes the one cycles. It depends on velocity of the rotations of the coil. 600 revolution in 1 minute, therefore 10 revolution in 1 second. This is the time for 1 revolution. Thank you. Let's see the AC voltage generation through animation.